Hey everybody, this is Dave from Remembering Holland, Michigan. I thought I'd do another video to show you how to navigate around a Facebook page, just in case you didn't know how to do it. So if you want to search under photos, that'll be right here. I'll show you how to get the photos that I have posted and then photos from others. By default, it's going to go under right in the middle, photos. These are all the ones that I have shared. You can just scroll down. Now if you go to Photos of Remembering Holland, Michigan, right here on the left, that way you can just easily get to all the posts that other people have shared on here. There's quite a few. You just scroll down there. Now if you go under Albums, over here on the right, that way you're able to find like some videos right here. This has a cover, timeline. And then there's a few, like here's Makatawa Park, there's 12 photos in there. This one's pretty good. Well, it's just for the albums and if you want to see any of the videos. Here's one of, I think it's Tulip Time from, I don't know if it's Wood TV. Castle Park ones. So I thought I'd just share that with you. Go back to regular photos. And I did try this to make sure it ain't something that I'm just seeing on my page because I'm the administrator. But I tried it on tried on Downtown Holland, and it has it all set up there too that you can see any videos that they posted or posts from others. So I thought I'd share that with you. All right, thank you.